All right, so we said that thunderstorm cells, whether they're regular cells or supercells, thunderstorm cells go through the cumulus stage, the mature stage, and the dissipating stage. And in the mature stage, they have both an updraft and a downdraft. And actually, this downdraft can create what we call very destructive vertical winds. And sometimes they're called straight line winds, so that they're not confused, as I understand it, with winds that have rotation. Of course, we're talking about winds associated with a tornado. Downburst and microburst, very similar. Downburst a little bit larger, microburst a little bit smaller. And one of the things I didn't include in my lecture notes this semester was something called a day ratio. And actually, that is another, day ratio is another straight line wind and vertical wind, and it's usually associated with a squall line of thunderstorms. So day ratio, sometimes they'll say if you can kind of see, look at your squall line, and if it kind of bulges, they call that a bow. And the squall line, to be able to see the precipitation, is a type of echo, so it's called a bow echo. And so anyway, that's another type of straight line wind. So that straight line wind can be very detrimental. For instance, airplanes. And I understand Ronald Reagan's, when he was flying an Air Force One, one time was a scary time with one of these microbursts. But they're unpredictable, and you can imagine if you have that wind and you don't know that wind is there and you're an airplane driving into it, you can definitely have a bad sort of situation. So what you're seeing here, I don't know if you can kind of see the debris kicked up from a straight line vertical wind. So